Hello everyone, we are continuing with the novelties from the LINE48. Those are two new versions of the dark light. We have already presented in our catalog the standard dark light. This version is adjustable. It means that with this simple move of swinging, you can rotate the dark light in 180 degrees. Thanks to this characteristic, you can have the anti-glare effect, which is typical for the products with the backward optic. This product, like all the rest from the LINE48, is available in two versions, black and white, and three different color temperature. The standard driver that we provide is on-off. For the dimming needs, you can use the driver 110, and for the digital control, the driver DALI. If you like our product and our Letco channel, I want to announce that we are constantly looking for the new agents and official distributors out of Italy. So if you are interested, you can click on the link in the description under this video and we will respond you. Thank you and see you next time.